A fierce winter storm sweeps through the forest. Snow falls heavily, covering everything. In white, a tiny gray kitten lies curled up, shivering in the cold. Nearby, a white rabbit watches with concern. Fate is about to bring them together. The rabbit curls protectively around the kitten. Their fur mingles, sharing warmth. Next day, side by side, the kitten and rabbit leave their footprints in the snow. Through the trees they spot a hollow log filled with dried berries and nuts. For the first time in days, there is hope. A distant howl echoes through the forest. Shadows shift between the trees. Danger is near. The wind howls as the kitten and rabbit race through the snow. They must find shelter fast. Through the storm they find a burrow beneath an old tree, their breath heavy with fear. Safe for now. Days pass, and the snow begins to melt. Tiny green sprouts push through the frost. The kitten and rabbit step outside. The world is changing. Sunlight warms the earth as the kitten playfully pounces on a flower petal. The kitten and rabbit touch noses, eyes full of understanding. Their paths may diverge, but their bond will never fade.